the art of wooden carving, Ma Dao Tan Song. First of all, don't forget to subscribe to the Crafted Woodworks channel. Wood carving has been an integral part of artistic expression in many cultures, particularly in Asia. One of the most revered and symbolic wood carvings is the Ma Dao Tan Song, a masterpiece that embodies success, determination, and prosperity, crafted meticulously by skilled artisans. This wooden artwork captures the essence of power and grace through the depiction of galloping horses. In this article, we will explore the significance, craftsmanship, and artistic values of this exceptional wood carving. The symbolism of Ma Dao Tan Song, Ma Dao Tan Song, translates to horses galloping to success, and it holds profound cultural and philosophical meanings. In traditional Asian beliefs, horses symbolize speed, endurance, and ambition. The image of 8 galloping horses is particularly significant in Feng Shui, where the number 8 is associated with prosperity and fortune. These horses, often depicted in motion, represent continuous progress and the overcoming of obstacles. The craftsmanship behind the masterpiece, the creation of a wooden Ma Dao Tan Song carving, requires immense skill, patience, and an eye for detail. The process involves multiple stages. Selecting the wood, artisans carefully choose high-quality woods such as teak, mahogany, or rosewood to ensure durability and longevity. The wood's natural grain enhances the aesthetic appeal of the artwork. Design and sketching. Before carving begins, a detailed sketch is made on the wood surface. This outline serves as a guide to ensure precision and proportion in the final product. Hand carving. Using chisels and carving knives, artisans meticulously sculpt the horses, their flowing manes, and the dynamic background elements like mountains and waterfalls. This stage demands exceptional skill, as even a minor mistake can compromise the entire piece. Polishing and finishing. Once the carving is complete, the wood is sanded to achieve a smooth surface. Traditional finishing techniques, such as lacquer or natural oils, are applied to protect the wood and enhance its natural beauty. Artistic and cultural value. Beyond its visual appeal, a wooden Ma Dao Tan Song holds immense cultural value. It is often gifted to business owners, scholars, and individuals embarking on new ventures as a symbol of encouragement and good fortune. The craftsmanship involved reflects the artisan's dedication and the rich heritage of traditional woodworking. The Ma Dao Tan Song wood carving is more than just an artwork. It is a testament to the skill, tradition, and cultural significance of wood carving in Asian art. Each piece tells a story of perseverance, success, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. As these beautifully sculpted horses gallop towards prosperity, they inspire us to strive for our own achievements with the same vigor and determination.
Mấy lần, mấy lâu, rất là nhiều.